What's up, boys? We're back again with another moto vlog, and I'm actually using a different helmet this time. I'm using my dedicated car helmet or whatever, because I couldn't find the GoPro mount that I use for my motorcycle helmet, and I don't know if the angle is perfect, but I think that the sound should be a little bit better with this helmet. But it feels so weird riding in this helmet because it has some like built-in ear protection, so all of the sound is kind of muffled. I can't really hear myself talking, and also the bike sounds a lot different than what I'm used to while in this helmet. The thing is though, we don't have time to mess about. I'm going to DHL and pick up a package for the S2000. So you guys, if you saw the last video, I said that I had sandblasted my timing chain tensioner for the S2K, but before I did that I actually ordered a brand new one. That has come to DHL now, and it's time to go pick it up. I'm also going to the jeweler, or I don't even know how I pronounce this, but my, you know guys, I'm engaged, and I do usually wear a ring right here, but I haven't been able to wear it since like January, because I broke some tendons in my finger or whatever, and it swelled up a lot, and I've been kind of waiting for it to get better. It's all good now, I can finally use my hands again, but my finger has become quite a bit thicker. I need to get it enlarged because I don't think my finger will go back to its normal state, so I guess I got a little bit more thick of a finger right now. But I have like 15 minutes or something to get to DHL before they close. I was going to show you guys this because this is one of the things that is nice with having a supermoto, not only doing wheelies and being a hoon, but you can also go on these kinds of roads. Very nice. I don't like to give pedestrians a hard time, so right now I feel kind of bad riding behind this guy, but it doesn't seem to mind anyway. Vroom. I'm kind of stressed out. I need to get to DHL before they close. And now we're at DHL, probably the weirdest route I've ever gone to get there, but yeah, we're here at least. So now I'm done at DHL, and it took such a long time. I had to wait for like 20 minutes to get my package. But really at DHL you're only supposed to get your big stuff delivered, so I guess that's alright. This woman has a flat tire on her Volvo as well. I don't know if you'll be able to see that in the video. But yeah, very flat tire. So she should definitely get some air into that. The funny thing was too, I was so stressed out getting to DHL in time because I thought they closed at 16. Well, turns out they closed at 17 or 5 p.m. So I didn't really have to be stressed out either. A little bit of traffic. Well, don't mind if I do. Maybe I do a cheeky pass on these boys. This is one of the nicer things with having a motorcycle. You can just skip past all of the traffic. And it's actually legal to do so in Sweden as well. People get really mad at you for doing it, but it is not illegal, so I don't really know why. Also, I forgot to put, there's like a magnet on the front disc, apparently that gets so that your speedometer is working. I did not know that while I was changing out the front disc, so I just don't have an odometer at the moment, or I can't see how fast I'm going anyway. I don't know, I feel kind of sketched out driving without my mates also in the daytime. I think that I'll just park right outside the mall, because I'm a piece of shit. Hope no one steals my bike. I'm finally done at the jeweler store. At the fucking store that sells jewelry. I don't even know how to pronounce that word. But yeah, finally done over there, and I can head back to the shop. I don't like it when I'm not the first one in the row, because then it feels some kind of... It feels like I'm an asshole. They say that when you take your motorcycle license, you can stop looking over your shoulder while going everywhere. I don't really know if that's true, boys. There are some bikes as well. I wonder what they're up to. Doing wheelies at least. I mean, this bike is just so controlled, so calm. It just feels like too good. So nice. It's like a little moped for adults. Nice. Tjena.
Helvete, det låter mycket.
Gör det det?
Ja, men det är gött.
So it has this really nice S13. Pretty much bone stock instead, except of suspension, I think, and the wheels on it. but super nice condition. This one is for sale also. The problem is just that it has a blown head gasket right now, so that's why he's towing it away to get it fixed. Anyways, like, I didn't really have anything special to do today. I just thought that you guys should head on with me for a nice little cruise on the bike. And you guys did. We popped some wheelies and we just did some normal traffic kind of bullshit. The things that you do on your supermoto. There's a lot of crows here. I wonder what they're all doing here. Maybe they found some food or something. These kind of city crows or city birds anyway only live they only live off of French fries and old cigarette butts. This is the new factory anyway. They make these forest harvesting machines and whatsoever. Real nice. It's probably not so interesting, but I haven't really been here and looked around. Feels kind of sketchy if I'm being honest, being here snooping around, but they make these kinds of machines at least. It's nice. There's some dude on a bike on this little square right here. So this is usually where we practice. He actually pulled a wheelie. I need to stop and talk to him. I guess he's learning how to wheel it. Tjena! Tack så mycket! So I met some dude with a KTM 690 and he said he was out practicing and found this spot and said it was really nice. And I do agree with it. It's a nice spot to practice your wheelies. That was pretty cool. I've never actually stopped and talked with someone out riding their bike. Seemed like a nice dude. What's good, boys? So apparently my GoPro shut off while I was doing the outro to this video. If you've gotten this long into the video, a big thanks to you, and if you liked it and want to see more motor vlogs, comment something down below and leave a thumbs up, and I'll see you again in the next one. Other than that, Instagram and Patreon page are down below, linked as usual, and I wish you all a great day. Have a good one, boys. Bye.
Yo, I ain't here for the money, I ain't here for the fame. Though it might be nice to own a jet plane, I'ma do it all for you. Come along and see it's true, but the